Meaning of foil.
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 Foil. Foil is a noun that can have multiple meanings depending on the context. One of its most common meanings is a thin sheet of metal used for wrapping food or covering surfaces. In literature, a foil is a character who contrasts with another character in order to highlight particular qualities of the other character. When used as a verb, to foil means to prevent someone from achieving their intended goal. The result of foiling someone's plan is that the plan fails or is disrupted, and the person who attempted to carry it out is unable to succeed.